It's a storm coming. Boom, 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 boom.
Real nigga alert. Supreme T is in the building. I just feel like doing this video standing up just cause I like the Jersey folk. I just got this on. I had to try it on real quick. Young Retwist in the building. Fresh Chop 10 in the building. Look. You can see that joint? Hey, that joint clean. You see the style? That joint clean, bro. Can you see? Hold up. You can see that? Let me tilt my head like this. I need a thumbnail too, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Let me just put that joint up. You can see? Well, y'all ain't telling me if you can see. You can see? You ain't telling me if you can see or not, bro. Don't ask me what I've been using to grow my hair. Don't ask me what products I use on my hair. Don't ask me none of that. Cause I made a whole video. This is the only thing I use on my hair. Link is in the description. You can go cop. Little discount code. I'll throw the discount code in the description just cause anyway. But don't ask me nothing about no product I use on my hair. Cause that's the only thing I use. And that's it. I just put oil on my hair. And that's it. Since y'all here, I'm gonna tell y'all, like, I go back to school tomorrow. Somebody left a comment and asked me, did I go to school? No. I'm trying to drop out though, I ain't gonna cap. I'm trying to move to LA or something. But nah, for real though. If the year goes right, you feel me? I plan on dropping videos. Y'all always be asking me, where are the videos? Why you don't post? Blah, blah, blah. Do this. Do that. Cut your hair. Bro, if the year go right, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna post some bangers. I'm lazy. Alright? So like, if I post, let's say I post a video that I think is a banger, right? And then y'all don't show no support on the video. Like, no likes, no good comments, none of that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just not gonna post. Can't you tell? Like, bro, like, that's how my motivation works. If I drop a video right now, like this video right here, son, I drop this video right now. I don't get no support on this genre. I'm not gonna post until I feel like it again. You know what I'm saying? But if I post a video and then that genre gets support, now I feel like, oh, I gotta post a video. You know what I'm saying? Like, you see what I'm saying? So like, bro, if I'm posting a video, that genre ain't get no support, what am I posting for? I'm just not gonna post because like, I'm wasting my time. That's how I feel like. I'm gonna just go do me. You keep telling me to vlog. I'm not vlogging. You feel me? I'm not vlogging. Like y'all don't want to see that. Y'all not gonna watch that. Don't ask me to vlog. You don't even watch my regular. Bro, don't ask me to vlog, bro. Don't do that. You don't even, don't do that. But I mean, now I go to school tomorrow. Let's say I post another video tomorrow. I'm not saying I'm gonna post another video tomorrow, but let's just say I post another video tomorrow while I'm at school, and then that joint get some support. I might vlog, but nah, I plan on dropping like, I don't know what type of videos I'm gonna drop, but just know they gonna be bangers though. Like I'm gonna feel like dropping some bangers sooner or later. All I need for y'all to do is just like come here. If you new, subscribe. If you old, turn on post notifications. If you new, subscribe and turn on post notifications. You see how that work? Leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? Talk to me or something. I be responding to the comments. I don't know if y'all see it or not, but yeah, I got some bangers on the way, I guess. Don't let me cap. Y'all know I be capping. I got some bangers. I got some bangers on the way though. So yeah. Woo! Got a little retwist action going on though. New growth. See how long my dreads is? I'm trying to dummy long. Don't at me. Don't ever in your life say my hair don't grow. I just got dreads and them just already longer than your mama dreads. So, bye.